Good morning everyone. Today we have gathered to celebrate the birth anniversary of a great educator, visionary and advocate for children, who is Dr. Maria Montessori. Now I would request my team member to say few famous quotations of Dr. Maria.
Before we begin, let us remember her words that continue to inspire educators across the world. Free the child potential and you will transform him into the world. The second quotation was one of the most famous. The greatest sign of success for a teacher is to be able to say, the children are now working if I don't exist. The third quotation is one of my favorites. The child is both a hope and a promise for mankind. Now I would like my teammate to say few lines about her life journey in brief.
Now I say about life journey of Dr. Maria Montessori. Dr. Maria Montessori was born on 31st August 1870 in Italy and became the first woman in her country of graduate as a doctor. Despite facing social resistance, she dedicated her life to understanding how children learn best. Her innovative teaching method, the Montessori method, spread across the globe, changing education forever. She believed in nurturing independence, curiosity, and self-confidence in every child.
To honor her contribution to education, our friends will now present a short skit that highlights the difference between traditional teaching and modern teaching. In this performance, you will see how the Montessori approach gives the children the freedom to explore, learn at their own pace, and develop life skills. We invite you to watch closely and experience the magic of learning of Dr. Maria Montessori. Good morning everyone. Good morning. Open your book and write 2 plus 1 equal to 3.
Ma'am, I am not in this class.
Why? Just write and don't ask any questions.
Now, let's visit a Montessori classroom where the teacher guides and the child learns through exploration.
Hello, good morning children, how are you? Okay, so today, whatever you want, you can learn. So, what do you want to do today? Okay, great. And what about you? You want to play with birds, right? Okay, take it. So, this is called base. And how we can complete? This is 2 beats plus 2 beats. So, total is great. Great. So, these are called blocks. So, help with this. Try to make a tower. Okay?
Let us first step into a traditional classroom where learning follows a fixed pattern and the teacher leads everything. In Montessori classroom, each child learns by exploring, discovering and working at their own speed. And that is why Dr. Maria Montessori's method has touched the hearts of educators all over the world.
Now, a final salute to Dr. Maria Montessori by all the trainee teachers, where they would like to share few elements of hers.
Self-discipline, prepared environment,
Independence, respect for the child, absorbent mind.